Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can adjust in the settings in Sodah. It's like a game where you can like dance to trending songs on Roblox. So if you go to settings here, you can adjust the lighting. So right now it's sunset, you can adjust it to night. You can adjust it to day. And then you can track camera. There's root, head, and torso. You can also adjust who can sync, everyone, friends, or no one. Or as visibility, everyone, only self, and no one. You can even mute boombox, mute sound effects. You can mute ambiance. You can also click to sync here. You can hide players. I'm on a private server right now, so there's no one. You can hide name tags here, so when you record, there's nothing. You can also toggle AFK. You can blur the background. You can also disable friend tags. I don't know what this is for. You can also set it. I'm just going to leave it like that. And as you can see, like when you dance, I think I did track a torso. I'll do head. And then I'm just going to play in a mode here. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.